Welcome to House of Hybrid channel. My name is Renato, and today the tutorial video is how to reset a maintenance light on a 2018 Toyota Highlander XLE. But that will work in all third generation Highlander from 2016 all the way to 2019. Okay, first thing we need to do is press the power button twice till we get the car on ignition on position. Then we're only going to use the air buttons up at left and right and the return button here. So you will see the sign maintenance require. So when you see the maintenance require, you will scroll to the right all the way to see that star. That means the settings. Then you will scroll down. When you get to the settings, press enter and scroll down to keep scrolling all the way to reach schedule maintenance. Press enter. Then it's asking if you yes or not you want to reset your data. So you press the center here in order to yes. The data has been reset. Different than other cars, this car has two ways to reset that. Okay, now step 2. This one is a simple way. You're gonna turn on your vehicle pressing the engine stop button. Press 1, 2. Then your ignition gonna be on. And using the odometer trip button, you will see here every time that I press it will change the first time to odometer, and the next one is going to be trip A. You have to leave on the trip A. Then you go back to the start button, turn off the vehicle. Now you will press and hold the trip button, press and hold, then you will press 1, 2 and hold. So let's do it. 1, 2 and hold, and you see over there it's flashing. Now it's all done. Thank you. I hope that was helpful, and I see you next video.